Okay, so welcome to my cooking channel. This is the Fast and the Keto-ish. So on today's menu, I'm gonna do a stuffed chicken breast with spinach, mozzarella cheese, and then wrap it in bacon. And then I'll probably saute some Brussels sprouts along with that. So that's what's on the menu for today. Follow along and I'll show you how it's done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with putting a little bit of avocado oil in there. It has a higher smoke point. Then when that gets hot, it's going to throw some spinach in. And let that cook and saute it down. That's good. All right, so I got all the prep work done. I know there was a few extra steps I threw in there. I probably didn't have to do it. But what I'm gonna do now is just pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And then while I'm doing that, I'll get my veg started. I'm thinking I'll do some Brussels sprouts or I'm gonna do some asparagus. No asparagus? No asparagus?
I hate asparagus. It's the worst.
Okay, so no asparagus for him. Brussels sprouts?
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like it's gonna be Brussels sprouts on the menu tonight. I'll probably warm up a little bit of marinara sauce, drizzle it on top, make it, okay. Yeah, I'll be doing that in a few minutes, so stay tuned. Okay, so I got the chicken done, I got the Brussels sprouts done, I got some of the sauce that's done, just heat it up, it's very simple. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, plate it, put it all together and show you what we got. Okay, so just what I'll do is take a little bit of the sauce, put it down on the bottom, do a little of that, okay? Take a chicken breast, put it right there, boom. Put a little extra of that cheese there, yum, okay? Then what you wanna do is just gonna take some of these Brussels sprouts, sauteed Brussels sprouts with a little bit of Caesar dressing, okay? And just a little bit of balsamic glaze on top. The balsamic isn't 100% keto. However, it does give you a little cut from the fatty and it actually makes the meal a lot better. So there you have it. We got my Brussels sprouts there. Sauteed Brussels sprouts with a little bit of Caesar dressing and a drizzle of balsamic dressing. We got our stuffed chicken breast, our spinach and mozzarella cheese stuffed chicken breast, wrapped in bacon with a little bit of marinara sauce on top. And if you want to just go a little bit further, you could just even sprinkle a little bit of some Parmesan Reggiano cheese on top, just to make it a little bit more authentic. And that's your meal for tonight, and that's dinner. So the only thing left to do now is cut in and see how it tastes. Let's get a piece of that chicken, some of that bacon, some of that sauce, all there. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. You're gonna wanna save this recipe. And these Brussels sprouts, I promise you, they're gonna be your favorite. Oh, it's like, excuse me, it's like a warm Caesar salad, but made with Brussels sprouts. It's amazing. Perfect complement to this dish. Chicken, bacon, cheese, spinach, Brussels sprouts, a little bit of marinara sauce, and you know what? That's my keto dinner. Oh yeah, and one last thing. 3 things to ask yourself each day. Am I eating healthy? Did I get active? And am I happy? If you can answer those 3 things with a yes, you know by the end of the day that you had a successful day. Thanks for watching The Fast and the Keto-ish. My name is Alma Laban, and you have yourself a good day. Stay safe and wash those hands. Spread love, not germs. Peace. That right there. Oh yeah. Can't stop. Totally worth it. All right, I'm done. Peace. You gotta try this. Peace.